Hello there, Tiffany here, and welcome back to my channel. Pictured here was one of the sitting areas in my home. Although very pretty, this space served no real purpose because whenever I had guests over, no one actually sat in this room. Therefore, I decided to convert this space into a room that was more functional and productive for my household, a home office. Although just as serene as the room before, this space is now multi-purpose for my family's various work projects. I decided to use gray and chrome hues for a modern and sleek design. This color scheme created a perfect setting for productivity. To add texture to this room, I wanted a buffet table that was rugged and distressed. I couldn't find such a table I was willing to pay hundreds of dollars for, so I decided to grab the hubby for a little late night date night project. We used old wooden pallets for the bones of the construction. At Home Depot, we purchased plywood and had the employees cut the pieces down to size, but unfortunately, hubby had to do some additional cutting to make it all work. We mended the project together using good old-fashioned nails and liquid nail adhesive as an added reinforcement. For the design, I hot glued jute twine in an abstract formation and layered it with spray adhesive and silver spray paint. The total cost for this project was $120. I absolutely love the unique touch that this table adds to the space. I decided to dress this table up with spring florals that I purchased from Michael's. This soft pink cherry blossom added a nice pop of color to the space. The globe and chrome lantern were old purchases from Home Goods that were just sitting in storage. I decided to reuse them for the space, and I think they matched very well with the chrome theme. To complete this wall in the room, I decided to use wall decor that matched the overall modern look of the space. In an attempt to save money, the hubby helped me design it. We purchased 12 square picture frames and placed them in the shape that we wanted. We then adhered them into place using E6000 and hot glue sticks. Once dry, we spray painted and hung it into place. The total cost for this project was $90. One of my favorite items in this room is the desk. I scoured the internet for days looking for the right desk for our home office. I knew I wanted a glass and chrome desk, but I couldn't find one that really stood out to me. I decided to search under the small dining table category, and that's when I finally found it. I purchased this table on Amazon and it arrived within 2 days. I was so anxious because I didn't know if it would look right as a desk, but this table exceeded my expectations and it was the best purchase I made for this room. In order to achieve a sleek office space, I wanted to make sure that my computer complemented the design. We purchased HP All-in-One. I love it because the hard drive is constructed inside of the monitor, and the best part is this computer has a full touchscreen monitor. All of the apps you love are already programmed onto the system, from Amazon, Facebook, Netflix, Skype, and even the most popular game apps. This is a full touchscreen PC, therefore you have the choice to type using your touchscreen, or you can alternate using your mouse and keypad. This extremely large monitor is perfect for editing videos, to blogging, or for personal work. We do have a separate workstation for an additional laptop, scanner, and printer. However, I only choose to edit my videos on this one because of its simplicity and capacity. HP has always been reliable in the tech industry, and this new design is no exception. I would certainly recommend this computer for any household family. Our office sits on the main floor, adjacent to our foyer. It was important for me to have a nice view from the office as well. Therefore, I decided to extend the chrome and gray design to the foyer for a more uniform look. I decided to use this room as our home office because of the beautiful natural light that comes in from the foyer and the window in the room. This space is so open and bright during the daylight, and alternatively cozy and warm at night. I would like to thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe for more of my home decor videos like this, and if you haven't seen it already, go back and watch my bathroom decor and organization video. I will link that as well as everything listed in this video in the description box below.